There is only one science oracle. There is only one master teacher. Davileo Davilei, you are our hero. Davileo Davilei, you are our hero. You are like the rainbow, you are our hero. You color our world far beyond the imaginable and makes our world illuminable, adorable, and more lifeable. Illuminable, adorable, and more lifeable. And whatsoever you do, incredible and remarkable, incredible and remarkable. We love you, Davileo Davilei. You are of all most enviable.
Hi, my name is Axel David Bonaventure Okenewa, aka Davileo Davilei, academically by God's grace, celebrated as the Science Oracle. I want to welcome you towards a series titled Davileo Davilei's Code, otherwise Davileo Davilei's Crazy Principle.
So whenever you are faced with a problem that has to do with what following protection of what metallic, what element or non-elements, we simply refer or recall to what the Lefoka POS principle, as formulated by Davileo Davilei. So let's quickly look at it. The Lefoka POS principle. The what? Lefoka. The Lefoka POS principle. The Lefoka POS principle, or otherwise known as what? The principle of what? Metallic what? Flammability. This principle states that the color impartation of metallic elements such as lead, copper, calcium, potassium, and of course sodium. The color impartation of what? Lead, Pb, copper, Cu, calcium, Ce, potassium, K, and of course sodium, whose chemical symbol is Na, coded as what? Lefoka POX. Lead, copper, calcium, potassium, and of course sodium. The color impartation of this metallic element coded as what? Lefoka POX. Where lead is for lead, CO is for copper, Ca is for calcium, PO is for potassium, and of course S is for what? Sodium. When heated on a non-luminous flame, are respectively equivalent to the color of lead block, bread, lila G. Lila what? G. Lila G. Lead block, bread, lila G. Lead block, bread, lila G. Where lead stands for livid blue. Livid what? Blue. Block stands for bluish. Bluish what? Green. Bluish what? Green. Then bread stands for brick. Brick. Red. Brick what? Red. Lila stands for or connotes lilac or lavender. Lavender. And of course, G represents greenish what? Yellow. What does that imply? It means that when these metallic what elements such as lead, copper, calcium, potassium, and sodium, coded as Lefoka POX, when they are heated on a non-luminous flame, their color impartation corresponds with the code known as lead block bread lila G. where, like I said before, lead connotes livid blue, blood connotes bluish green, bread connotes brick red, lilac stands for lilac or lavender, and of course G stands for greenish yellow. Going by what this, one can therefore say that the common impartation of lead, when heated on a non-luminous flame, is livid blue. The color of copper on a non-luminous flame, when heated, is bluish green. And of course, the color of calcium, when heated on a non-luminous flame, is brick red. The color of potassium, when heated on a non-luminous flame, is lilac or lavender. And finally, the color of what sodium, when heated on a non-luminous flame, is known as greenish yellow. This is a summary known as the Lecoq POS principle. The Lecoq POS what? Principle of what? Metallic flammability, as postulated by Davileo Davilei. So when next you are faced with a question that has to do with a color impartation of metallic what elements, such as the likes of lead, copper, calcium, potassium, sodium, quickly recall to the Lecoq POS what? Principle. Let's take one application in order to what, enhance your what understanding. One what? Application. One application of the Lecoq POS principle. This question is actually coming out from UTMA, I think 1994, and the question says, which color is imparted to a flame by calcium ion? Which color is imparted to a flame by calcium ion? A, brick red. B, yellow. C, blue. D, lilac. Now going by what the Lecoq POS principle, you will agree with me that the correct answer is nothing but what? Brick red. Nothing but what? Brick red. Look at it. That when calcium is what? Heated on a non-luminous flame, its color impartation corresponds with red, which stands for brick what? Red. Now let me give you one application or one self-test application to what takes the efficacy of your understanding. Look at it. A compound that will give a lilac flame coloration and a white precipitate with aqueous barium chloride followed by dilute hydrochloric acid must be A, potassium chloride, B, potassium sulfate, C, sodium chloride, and of course D, copper chloride. Copper 2 chloride. You can answer this by the application of the Lecoq POS principle. Do not hesitate to answer it, and of course send the answer to the comment section, and it will truly be rewarded. Once again, thank you for being my guest. Thank you.